With vehicle software updates, you can receive free enhancements and refinements and purchase innovative new upgrades through over-the-air technology. And not just that, these updates also give you access to new features, in-vehicle apps, and more, so your vehicle can continue to get better over time. Vehicle software updates require internet connectivity, and to receive these updates, you should have accepted the terms and conditions upon the delivery of your vehicle. When a new update is available, a notification will be sent directly to your vehicle, and depending on the model, to your available My GMC mobile app. There are 2 steps to get the update: download and installation. These can be viewed in the Software Updates setting. Software will automatically download to your vehicle in the background, which means you can continue to use your vehicle normally. Downloads automatically pause when you turn off your vehicle or lose connectivity, then resume when your vehicle is running again and regains connectivity. The size of the update or the strength of your wireless connection may also affect the download time. Want to check the progress of your vehicle software download? Just tap the Settings menu in your center display. Then under the System tab, go to the Vehicle Software section and look for Updates. Once the download is finished, the update can be installed by following the instruction prompts on the screen. You will need to complete a drive cycle, then put the vehicle in park to initiate most updates. You can dismiss the installation prompt up to 30 times before a final installation option is shown. During the process, you can't drive your vehicle and the center display may remain active, so make sure your vehicle is parked in a secure location. Installation can't be stopped and takes around 20 minutes or less, depending on your update. You are not required to stay inside the vehicle during an update, so make sure your windows are closed and your doors are locked when stepping away from your vehicle. The installation progress will also be shown on your center display. Installing vehicle software updates ensures you're getting the best in-vehicle experience, so stay up to date and help upgrade your ride.